Hey guys, it's been a while since our last video. We'll be doing something a bit different this time. We're going to be changing out the burger tray on my sister's 2006 Nissan Sentra N16. So stay tuned. So first off, as you can see, there is a crack at the top of my sister's burger tray. This is most probably due to heat exposure in the sun. So to take it out, we're going to be using a screwdriver, and we're going to try to pry it open by slotting it in between. If you try from one side and it doesn't work, you can try from both sides at the same time, as we're doing here. Next, you want to gently pull out the whole burger tray. So now you'll notice as you're taking out the burger tray, there is a connector. This connector is used for the hazard light. So to take this out, you have to use a screwdriver and push it against this tab as you're pulling it out. Alright guys, one thing to note is that as you can see in this image, at the rear of the burger tray, there are two air vents. So this is the original air vent that comes with the car. So what happened was, when we tried to connect the new burger tray into the car, the burger tray that we bought online has a different type of air vent. It does not line up perfectly, so we couldn't actually fit the burger tray into the car. So what we ended up doing is the air vent from the old burger tray, disconnect it, and then put it into the new burger tray. So one thing we noticed about the burger tray that we bought online is that the color is significantly different from the original burger tray. The one we bought online is brown, whereas the original burger tray is black, more of a grayish black. So what we decided to do is to paint the new burger tray using leather dye, because this is what we had at home. We definitely recommend using a spray can to spray paint for future projects, as this will give a more clean finish. Okay, so after letting the burger tray dry for about a day or two, we are now going to try to install it into the car. First things first, we have to make sure the hazard light connector is properly put in place first. After that, we're going to make sure the 3 pins at the top of the burger tray align so that it's easily placed back into the car. This shouldn't be too difficult, and with a little bit of pushing around, it should be fitting good as new. After that, what we did is we applied some Maguire's high gloss protectant for the interior of the car. This is to give it a nice shine finish and to help against UV rays and... Wait, what? What's going on? What's happening? Ah! What? What is this? I've been transformed into a chibi. Well, that happened. What do you guys think? How do I look?
I mean, I think I look kind of cute. Well, you'll be seeing much more of me like this in our next few videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, special thanks to our good friend Milan for creating these little chibis. He did a really good job. We're very happy with the result. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, we have a link to his Instagram in the description below, so do check it out. He has other drawings and animations as well. So yeah, give him some support, guys. So yeah, Blinker Boy out.